So, welcome to this course on biomaterials for bone tissue engineering applications. In this course, I am going to teach you on the fundamentals as well as the applications of biomaterials for bone tissue engineering applications. Specifically, the first initial modules will be to introduce the subject of biomaterials, and one of the key property for the biomaterials is the biocompatibility. So, this concept of biocompatibility will be explained in more details and related terms will be defined. Subsequently, this course will also introduce the structure and characteristics of the cells, proteins, bacteria as well as tissue, and among all the tissue structure, hard tissue like bone would be significantly discussed in a few modules. Then in the context of biocompatibility, cell material interaction, cell signaling, and the way a biological cell will function on a material substrate, that will be discussed at length in reference to various cell fate processes like cell differentiation, cell migration, cell division and cell adhesion of course. The concept of cell differentiation, that is that differential gene expression to a more matured cell type, that will be discussed in the in reference to the stem cell differentiation through different lineages. Towards the middle of the course, these various in vitro biochemical assays will be introduced to quantify the biocompatibility property of a materials. This will be followed by in vivo or preclinical testing and related methodology for biocompatibility testing in different animal models. A brief discussion will be made for clinical trials. After that, last phase of the course, I will be talking about I will be summarizing some of the research results related to the research being conducted in my group at both at IIT Kanpur and University of Science Bangalore on bone tissue engineering, in the area of bone tissue engineering. In particular, some modules will be there on hydroxyapatite based biomaterials as well as high density polyethylene hydroxyapatite alumina and some biodegradable polymers for biomedical applications. It is expected that at the end of the course, the participants in this course will have fairly an in-depth knowledge in the subject of biomaterials for bone tissue engineering applications. I wish that you will enjoy this course, and thank you.